In you, O Yahuah, I have taken refuge. Let me never be ashamed. Deliver me in your righteousness. Incline your ear to me. Deliver me speedily. Be a rock of refuge to me, a house to save me. For you are my rock and my stronghold. For your name's sake, lead me and guide me. Bring me out of the net which they have hidden for me. For you are my stronghold. Into your hand I commit my spirit. You have redeemed me, O Yahuah, of truth. I have hated those who observe lying vanities, but I trust in Yahuah. I exalt and rejoice in your kindness, for you have seen my affliction. You have known the distresses of my life, and you have not shut me up in the hand of the enemy. You have stood my feet in a large place. Show me favor, O Yahuah, for I am in distress. My eye, my being, and my body have become old with grief. For my life is consumed in sorrow, and my years in sighing. My strength fails because of my wickedness, and my bones have become old. I am a reproach among all my adversaries, but most of all among my neighbors, and a dread to my friends. Those who see me outside flee from me. I have been forgotten from the heart like someone dead. I've been like a missing vessel, for I hear the evil report of many. Fear is from all around when they take counsel together against me. They plot to take away my life, but I have put my trust in you, O Yahuah. I have said you are my Elohim. My times are in your hand. Deliver me from the hand of my enemies and from those who pursue me. Make my face shine upon your servant. Save me in your kindness. Don't let me be ashamed, O Yahuah, for I have called upon you. Let the wicked be ashamed. Let them be silenced in the grave. Let lips of falsehood be stilled, which speak recklessly against the righteous with pride and scorn. How great is your goodness, which you have laid up for those revering you, which you have prepared for those taking refuge in you in the sight of the sons of men. In the secrecy of your presence, you shall hide them from the plots of men. You'll shelter them in a booth from the strife of tongues. Baruch be Yahuah, For he has made marvelous his kindness to me in the strong city. And I have said in my haste, I am cut off from before your eyes. Yet you heard the voice of my prayers when I cried out to you. Love Yahuah, all you his kind ones. For Yahuah guards the trustworthy ones and exceedingly pays the doer of pride. Be strong and let him strengthen your